Hi. At this point, we're going to show you how to read in the Excel file using the read Excel command in R. So first you have to install and import the read Excel package from R. I've already installed the package, so I can just say library read Excel. And then you can bring in the data with the read _Excel command. I can say data for the data frame name equals read Excel, the whole word. Then you can give it the static path to the file. I stored it locally here in C temp UST X, and it's in the third sheet that I want to read, also called the monthly sheet. So I'm going to give it the sheet name as well. You could also alternatively type in 3 and it'll know to go to sheet 3. If I run this script, I'll get my data into my data frame, and there you go. You can look at it and see all the rates that are in that monthly sheet. Looks like it read it in with fidelity here. So now if we wanted to alternatively pick and choose the file, we could just clear that data object and use the Rio library, which you also would have to install. Rio, R-I-O. And then instead of typing in the static name, we can ask the user to browse to it using the file choose command. Run that, you'll get a script, and I'm going to go to C, temp, UST, and you get the same result reading in data from the monthly